Want your publisher file in Google Docs? Docs can't open a .pub file. Drive won't even preview it. But there's a two-step bridge that works. First, is Docs even what you want? Docs isn't about keeping the layout. It's about the document staying alive. Text-heavy newsletters, reports, templates. Things a team edits together, again and again. Purely visual, a poster or flyer, use slides instead. Docs is for words that keep changing. The bridge is always DOCX. Step 1. Convert your .pub to DOCX. Univik PUB Converter batches it, no publisher needed. Step 2. Upload the DOCX to Google Drive. Then open it with Google Docs. Doing many files, flip on OneDrive setting. Convert uploads to Docs, and it's automatic. Now, what survives the trip? Your text, tables, and links, all fine. Columns flatten to a single column. And publishers' text boxes. They float loose and break the flow. Text comes through great, layout doesn't. Here's the catch nobody warns you about. Google Docs only uses Google fonts. Your brand font isn't in that library. Docs silently swaps it for a lookalike. And you can't upload a custom one to fix it. For brand work, plan around that. So after import, check 4 things. Is the text in the right reading order? Rebuild columns with format, then columns. Reinsert any images that didn't come across. Move stray headers into the real header zone. Then add heading styles for structure. Using Docs for new content too. Build one branded template for the whole team. Everyone starts from the same place. Everyone edits in real time. And export to PDF whenever you need to send it. Pick Docs when the words need to keep moving. Convert now, before publisher's gone. Follow Univik. Where technology meets trust.